Hi, so in this video I'm going to show you the hanging light for your living room or drawing room. And the laser cutting file you can find in the description box below. So once you are done with the cutting, so first part we are going to do with the coloring part. So once we have got the 3D, laser cutting parts, so we are going to use this acrylic black color to color the whole thing. So I have did little fast forward, so it will take around 20 minutes to color all of them. So once I'm done with the circle part, then all the side parts I'm just doing it, and once done it looks something like this. Once the coloring is done, now we will be adding a small amount of black color in the fevicol, and then we will be sticking all of them with the help of cello tape, you can see, so that at least till drying it will hold it, and once the thing gets dried up we can remove this cello tape. Hi, so after coloring and fixing each part, this has really come very beautiful. And the next target we are going to fix is the bulb inside this so that we can hang it. Okay, so after fixing a small white color light with the bulb holder, you can see how it's looking, and I'm just showing you from different angle, and then when you see it from down it looks something like this, and then when you fix on the ceiling it looks something like this. And let me know in the comment box if you like this one, and if you want any help to make this. Thank you and have a great day.